Ooh, okay, I love that. Those went on like butter. So pretty. Ah! Wow. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and in today's video I'm doing a makeup mystery box unboxing. So this box comes from Laura Lee Los Angeles. Laura Lee Los Angeles is a cosmetics company created by Laura Lee. Now if you don't know who Laura Lee is, she is an influencer here on YouTube and has millions of followers here and throughout her platforms. She created Laura Lee Los Angeles, her cosmetics company, and she also has an online boutique called Nudie Patootie. So I am so excited to try these products. This is box A and this is what they said came in the box. Now if you don't know what a mystery box is, it's basically something that companies are doing now. They throw a bunch of their products in there at a discounted price and you don't really know exactly what's going to be in it. I am so excited to get into it. But before we do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you be a part of my beauty YouTube family. Also for the month of April, we are supporting Kahlo Outreach, so check the description box down below for more information. Now let's get into the video. I really hope that the liquid lipstick shades are going to be some shades that will work for my skin tone. I also hope that she includes her highlighters. I'm not sure because she just said palette, so I don't know if that meant like face palette or eyeshadow palette. I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. So here is the makeup bag. It's a shiny black material with gold accent. Really cute, really compact, but it weighs a good bit. So I bet you there's some good stuff in there. There is this card and it says Beauty Sponge. This is the LL Beauty Sponge. Ooh, it does feel soft. Okay, so it's got that flat edge right there so you can really contour with your powder, and it also has the regular pointed end so you can get under the eye really good. I think I'm gonna love this sponge. And next is a mirror, which I'm not surprised because they teased this on their Instagram, so I knew we were getting a mirror. It's actually double-sided. Oh my gosh. My mascara is flaking and so the mirror is already helping me out already. Oh my gosh, I love that. So on one side it has just a regular mirror and on the other side it's magnified and it has her logo right here. It's like a marbled vibe. I love this. Side note, the mirror and the sponge were new products and she did say that they will be launching at the end of the month. So that's really cool. And I love that it has the hole so if you want to hang it up. Moving on. Here are the liquid lipstick, Coral Pop and Show Off. I don't think these are nude shades. Oh, this is pretty. It is a darker shade, but oh well. So let's go ahead and try it on, shall we? I could definitely see myself wearing this in the fall. Ooh, it's very, very comfortable. So I'm very impressed with the formula of this lipstick. It's kind of thick. So you actually, it feels kind of like a real lipstick and it doesn't feel drying at all either. Like I was a little kind of about the color, but I think it's really amazing. Wow, that's like neon. Wow, that's really cute. Even though I was crossing my fingers and hoping for some nude shades, I still like these. And I'm just, you know, more than anything, happy to try the formula. And I'm telling you guys, I'm in love with her liquid lipstick formula. So we have a Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. It has like a really cute border and it is a empty magnetic palette. I really like this because the Z palettes that were really popular back in the day had the little clear square right here and it kind of doesn't look good. It starts to get dusty and like, So I actually like that this is a solid color, so it just looks more sleek. What's in the bag? Let's unzip it. Woo! So these are single eyeshadow pans that you can put into your empty palette. We have Drunk Flamingo, then we have Night Sky, Silver Cloud, Crystal Seas, Lamb Gal, probably my favorite. And last but not least, we have the Cobalt Cat. Next, we have this, which I think is her mini palette. Boss Babe, yes! I love my neutrals. I love that, so pretty. So let's do some live swatches. Wow. Those went on like butter. You guys, are you seeing this? I'm like shocked. Oh my. Too good, Laura. So pretty. I am in love. Nudie Patootie's in here. I love makeup just a little too much, I think. And as I'm lifting it up, it revealed that her highlighters are down here. So that's why I yelled, because you guys know I was hoping they would be in here. You guys, whoa. Okay, one thing at a time. This is her large palette and it has all neutral shades in it. The cutest. First of all, the name is adorable. The packaging, so sleek with that ombre nude. And then all of these beautiful shades, like, wow. Just like the first palette, swatched just like butter. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. I am actually going to do that at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Glam and Bronzed Kit. So there's a light to medium and a medium to deep. Such beautiful packaging. Look at that ombre orange gold. Ah, so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Wow, look at the glow. Here we have the Glazed lip kit. So beautiful. She gave us brushes too. Where are the brushes at? Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. So we have an eyeliner brush. We have her pencil brush. And then we have this brush, L12. So I'm going to use this one as my highlighter brush. What? So that's Glow Gal right there. Wow. I am in love with these highlighters. Just look at the cheek, like, it's beautiful. Love this. That's everything from the box, and I'm telling you, I am blown away. So I'm gonna go in with Nudie Patootie. So I'm gonna go in with Jaybird. Wow, it's like liquid metal on my eye. So gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Bear. And just run that shade on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. It's called Butt Naked. That is such a cute name. I'm just tapping this in the outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with that white shade just up here on the top. It's just like a subtle, soft, like, yes. All right, so that is the eye look. I love how it turned out. I love how these shadows performed. They are beautiful, and I am so glad I finally got to try some products from LLLA Los Angeles. Just in case you were wanting to check out some of her products for a good price, I thought you might like this bundle right here. It comes with a highlighter palette. It comes with the Nudie Patootie, and then it comes with a liquid lipstick. So you could get all of that for $50. I think that is an amazing deal if you wanted to try some of these products. LLLA Los Angeles just announced on their Instagram page that they will be coming back in stock with the Mystery Bag B and Mystery Bag C. It will launch on their website in very limited quantities on 4/23. And I am so happy with my LLLA Los Angeles mystery box. Everything impressed me. I love the sponge. I love the mirror. The brushes are so soft. The eyeshadows are insanely buttery. They are beautiful. The highlighter, this liquid glow, so beautiful and so perfect for the summer coming up. I really feel like this is the best liquid lipstick I have ever tried. I am so glad that I gave this a shot, and it just exceeded my expectations. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, then I hope you will hit that thumbs up button and like this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button down below and become a part of my beauty YouTube family. Also, for the month of April, we are helping Call Outreach, so definitely check the description box to learn more. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.